Okay, so above us is a kitchen drain right here. You can see it, that's gas, that's the 2-inch galvanized. Tried to snake it, and the snake literally, I thought was stuck for sure, but then Carlos came in. As I spun it, he pulled it and we got it out. But I'm thinking there's glass, or I don't know, but there's something that a snake cannot clear. So we're gonna have to, and I believe the clog is somewhere right here, but we're gonna replace a large portion of this, probably from right here over. All right, let's keep going. Busted it out. Good job, dude. Didn't have to notch this or anything. So we are still holding water right here. So we're gonna put the 3/8 cable in there. All right. So the issue was, so you got the laundry drain right here. It runs underneath the concrete, and then this ties into a combi, and it was blocked on the top part of the combi that bends. But the laundry was draining fine. But also there's a clean out around back. So basically what I'm trying to say is we had to open that up. Maybe not all of this, but definitely the wall we needed to open up, because there was no way to get a big enough snake in there to clear it on the vertical. Does that make sense? So I'm also snaking it from the clean out here, but this would not have helped that issue over there because it was clogged in the vertical part of the combi. But I'm just doing this for safe measure. But that's it. You also snake the clean out just for safe measure. It's really dirty. Oh yeah, this is the best part right here.